Oh, look at this. She's green, little birds. Official, actually. So, enjoy. It's a reaction video. I'm Vadim Konch and I'm making a reaction video. Video. Oh. Yay, another Teens in the Forest. I'm wondering when I'm gonna to do a music video in forest with my own songs. Sorry, I already I already did one. Made one. Sorry, we just miss. Let's try to rehear here. Why is this guy trying to tune his guitar? Like, what's happening? Or he is not tuning. Are they playing or is it a rehearsal? Only man. It's a good song, actually, I like it. Oh no, it reminds me of my Switch's memories. Not Switch's, but not very long, late memories. Yeah, it drives me crazy. La 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 la. She has a great voice. I like this. I like this. And it's such a great song. I'm Vadim Konch and I like the song. Yay! Don't know, it makes me cry and smile. It's a good song. It's good enough to make me cry and smile. It's just the middle of the song. No, it's not the middle of the song. What? Sorry, what? Look. Guy here is going to bully this one. 1, 2. Oh no. Stop cyberbullying. No bullying. He hit him a couple of times. What is this guy doing here? He's cute, but just dancing. I see. They put their friends in the music video. Is it a band? I guess it's a band. It's a cool band. They have this green thing on the hi-hats. Please write down in comments how we call this thing in English, because I'm not in English. Well, pretty nice song. If you like it, to subscribe to my channel. I'm showing here a lot of songs like this. Thank you for the watching. I'm Vadim Konche. Don't forget it. Bye.